This is the Max3. It's a really attractive sports fitness smartwatch with a nice bezel, metal appearance to the body, and a nice leather with rubberized strap underneath. And it comes, if you order it that way, with an actual metal strap that really dresses this puppy up. Inside this one, you've got all these different controls that you can do. You've got your step count information, last night's sleep time, a real chart showing you your current heart rate with a big number up here when you land here, and your last reading, lowest and highest number. You've got a blood pressure section that you can take. No blood oxygen on this one, however. When you go this direction, you get into an onboard music player that it'll store actual music in the watch up to 128 megabytes. And this is a little sample they gave us so you can hear the sound of the speaker, which is pretty decent overall. And stop it already. With the speaker and microphone in this one, it also supports Bluetooth calling, and that's really loud too. The back button and off button, and here you've got access to your overall settings with all kinds of controls and switches and things, remote photography, female capabilities to set up the period cycle, find your phone. All these are also in the watch as well, including a sports section, which gives you basic outdoor walking and running, cycling, and other things. No GPS, so it's just tied into the pedometer for that. It's an attractive watch. It's a lightweight watch. It's very sturdy built watch, and it's called the Max3. Check it out.